A warm welcome to this tutorial about how to create a reel or YouTube short using only one image. In this tutorial I'm going to use Canva to create a reel like this one. This is useful knowledge maybe if you have taken great photos and you want to make reels from them, or maybe you have a social media marketing service and you only get images from your clients. So then you can use these skills to create beautiful reels like this one. I will show you how you quickly can create this reel in Canva. So first in Canva, click on custom size and then create a really large canvas for your project so that the end result will be crisp and clear. And now import an image or choose an image from Canva's image gallery and resize the image like this. So it shall not fill the entire canvas because we are going to move the image now. So click on animate and then choose this feature. Hold down the shift key and drag the image like this, and this animation will be recorded. So click on smooth and then select the animation. And then duplicate the slide and move the image to the other side like this. And then get rid of the animation here and duplicate again. And now we are going to animate again. We are going to drag the image like this. And click on smooth and done. Duplicate again. And drag the image to where it started. And here we are going to add another animation. I recommend the photo zoom animation. And now download this as an MP4 video. So we are soon going to upload it again to Canva. And now in Canva, open a mobile video canvas and upload the video you just created and downloaded. And then move it and adjust it here on your real canvas until it looks perfect. And then you can just download it and upload it to Instagram and Facebook or YouTube and Pinterest and wherever you want. And you can choose to add music within Canva or in Instagram, Facebook, Pinterest, etc. And this is what it will look like.